Hi, in this tutorial we're going to simply pin images to the panorama. And this means that the image we place will stick to its location. So let's see how this works. I have a panorama of a theater already loaded into Pano2VR. And what I want to do is add a movie poster to the wall over here. To add the poster, I first need to change the viewer mode. And I do this by hovering my mouse over here. And when I do that, a drawer appears with all the different viewer modes. I can also get to the image mode by hitting I on the keyboard, or I can just go up to the toolbar and select it. Now I can add my image either by double-clicking in the panorama or by simply dragging the image in. So here's my poster, and there are probably a few things you might have already noticed. One, that the image is transparent. This is only to help make it easier to place, and it'll be solid on output. Also, the image is quite large, so obviously it needs to be resized. I can resize just by grabbing on these handles here and dragging them to make the image a little bit smaller. And then I'll just zoom into the viewer so I can make more refined adjustments. To make the image fit better within the space, you can drag on these arrows here, which represent the X, Y, and Z axes. For all of them, you click the arrow and drag the mouse up and down. So now that I've got my poster placed, I want to make it interactive. In the Properties panel, I'll select the Popout Normal Click Mode. And then I'll output it. So here's the movie poster, and when I click on it, it comes forward, but it's too large for the frame. Popout Normal enlarges the image to its full dimensions, so be careful here if you're working with large images. So let's try the other option, Popout 100%. This brings the image forward to fill the frame of the window. And I'll also enable the hand cursor, and then I'll output that again, overriding the last output. So here's my movie poster again, but this time when I click on it, it pops up to fill the frame of the window. And that's how to add a pinned image in Pano2VR. Thanks for watching.